Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our Dolby Atmos in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn on our Dolby Atmos sound, we have to go to Settings, then we have Sound and Vibrations here, and down here we have Sound Quality and Effects. And here it is, Dolby Atmos. What does it do? Experience breakthrough audio for media playback and that flows above and around you. It's better sound. So turn it on here, and we have a few options here also. We can by default it's auto, but we can only use it with our movies, with our music, or with our voices. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.